G'day, what's up everybody? My name's Raymond E Lee, aka Kiwi Buenos Aires. Look, for a while I've been working on this easy crypto, safe and easy way to help people onboard into crypto and blockchain, specifically for actors and artists that are looking to stabilize, decentralize, grow their incomes. So I hope you get some value from this. Today we're going to be featuring a little bit of an old clip, an advert. I hope it's okay to share this with you, an old advert from Ford, as well as Bit Harvest and their technology of the Bitbooster. So take it away, technology, I guess, and we'll see you on the other side. Cheers.
There's a lot of different opportunities out there at the moment, so we're going to cover Bit Harvest today. So keep your eyes peeled for Project 5000. This is a pretty hefty goal. A lot of these communities that we're developing, these networks that we're growing, think of them like PayPal or Venmo. Project 5000's in conjunction with Mosca, which is a peer-to-peer payment system over the decentralized blockchain. So keep your eyes peeled for that, but let's roll on through the rest of this, presenting Bit Harvest today.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the world of Bit Harvest. Bitbooster has been the backbone of our journey, empowering miners, earning Bitcoin, and creating opportunities worldwide. But let me tell you, this is just the beginning. Our upcoming launch of the BHT, our GameFi platform, and our decentralized application will nourish the Bit Harvest ecosystem, unlocking even greater potential for our community. Bitbooster is your key to enter the universe of possibilities that we are building. Together, we are shaping a thriving ecosystem where blockchain, gaming, and decentralized innovation comes alive together. Join us and be part of this groundbreaking journey.
Pocas posibilidades de que alguien se vaya un fin de semana al espacio y no quiera llevar ni las llaves de su auto. Suficientes para desarrollar Security Code, el sistema para ingresar con un código habiendo dejado las llaves adentro. Tecnología Ford. Lo casi imposible es posible.
Oh, Bitboosters, I got started. I was just going out to get some more Satoshis. Bit Harvest is a lovely little side hustle.